smells like onions in here. Are you okay? Don't get your shirt clothes in the microwave now. Oh, there you go. Recording. How dare you do that to me? I could be the next president. What the hell are you drinking water for? You're supposed to be drinking the good stuff.